Hello,
Hello,
I'm Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
my name is Han. I am 14 years old. I'm class 8B. Mm, My school's name is Daeseoi Secondary School. I'm from Vietnam. We are from pupil family.
There are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
Good.
They are mom, dad, brother, and me.
That's good. Okay, let's talk about shopping. Okay, do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
That's good. How many ways can you shop?
2 ways.
Okay,
Online shopping and offline shopping.
good. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lanchi Supermarket.
Where is Lanchi?
It's in Stanford City.
Okay, how often do you go to Lanchi?
Twice a week.
Twice a week. What do you buy at Lanchi?
I buy drinks and food.
Okay, who can go to Lanchi?
Everybody.
Everybody can go there. Good. Why do you like Lanchi?
Yes,
Why do you like Lanchi supermarket?
because convenient and cheaper.
It's convenient and cheaper. That's good. Okay, we have 2 ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you like?
I like shopping online
Why?
because easy and fast.
And faster. Okay, that's good. Look here. What's this?
Hurricane,
This,
thunder,
this,
forest fire,
and this.
tornadoes.
That's good. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken
Why do you like chicken?
because it's very good.
It's very good for you, okay? That's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Good.